Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Korean egg sandwich. This is easy to make and can be served for breakfast and dinner. Let's see how to prepare this egg sandwich. I have sliced in 1 onion, half capsicum, 1 carrot and a small piece of cabbage. Cut the carrot and capsicum into thin strips like this. Transfer all the veggies in a mixing bowl. Add in 4 eggs. Add in salt as needed. In goes 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Add in 2 pinch of sugar. Mix it nicely so that everything combines well. The egg and the vegetable mix is ready now. With this measurement, we'll be able to make 5 sandwiches. I have taken 10 sandwich breads and 5 slices of cheese. Heat a pan and add in 2 teaspoons of butter. Toast the breads slightly on both the sides. I have toasted all the 10 slices of breads. Next, I'm going to prepare the vegetable egg omelette. To the same pan, add in 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. Pour in a ladle of egg vegetable mix. You could see the egg just spreads on the pan. Just fold in the sides of the eggs like this. Try to make the omelette almost to the size of the bread. When one side is cooked, flip it and cook it on the other side. I have taken sandwich bread and hence I am making quite larger size vegetable egg omelette. Remove it from the pan when it is cooked on both the sides. Actually, you can have this egg omelette as such. This is so delicious and nutritious. I have prepared 5 vegetable egg omelettes. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter in a pan and place in the bread. Place in the vegetable egg omelette on the bread. Apply tomato ketchup as needed. Now place in the cheese slice. Cover with the another slice of bread. Flip the egg sandwich gently and cook it on other side for 1 minute. Cook it on very low flame since we have toasted the bread slice already. You can pack this sandwich for kids as well. This is so healthy. Instead of white bread, you can use brown bread. This is best for bachelors or someone who is staying in PG. Korean egg sandwiches are ready to be served now. Slice each sandwiches into half like this. This sandwich is so filling and can be served for breakfast. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.